Yeah, squad, we ain't Ghana. We turning up for 2025. Let's get it, let's go. Yeah, well, Ghana, finding our way. Family know it all. TT Brofano, exploring our roots. Finding our way. Family know it all. TT Brofano, exploring our roots.
The culture was sick. From the city life to the village street. Oh Ghana, yet I say family together forever. Ghana, you can say.
So guys, I'm on the road trying to find a taxi. Trying to get a taxi. It's not easy. It's not easy, y'all. I'm gonna see what he say. I'm going to Trisaco. Yeah, it's a Coco restaurant. All right, y'all. Let me take you on a luxurious journey to get my back cracked by Mother Nature herself. Ghana edition. So, the first stop, Coco Vanilla Restaurant in Trisaco, where I met with the driver. And 20 minutes later, boom, time to switch cars like I'm running from the feed. Squad. So we just arrived and they told me that we gotta walk for 15 minutes hiking. Can y'all believe it? I can't believe this. Say you playing.
No.
Say you was joking.
I'm not.
Oh my God.
Waterfall.
Oh my God. We gotta walk.
Yeah.
I hate walking. Y'all know I hate walking. The squad knows. Like, how are we supposed to do this?
Okay. Should we get you?
Y'all, this has been the craziest trip I ever had to go on. So the walk is not just a straight shot. I'm talking about bumps, bruises, rocks, all types of stuff in the mountains. You gotta climb, and you still have to walk because the motorcycle can't take you but so far. He going all over rocks and shit. I'm like, oh, y'all can risk y'all life. I can't risk mine like that. My fat ass fall. It's gonna be trouble. So I told him, get me the fuck off of this bike and let me go. Then I met two men in the woods. They started arguing. What the hell are they arguing for? One of them said he my bodyguard. The other one said he gonna make sure he look out for me. I don't know about that. I got it. Oh, that's beautiful. But this is one hell of a trip.
That's good.
Okay, I'm trying to. My God. There's chickens and shit out here.
Yeah.
Damn, I thought we left the chickens back at home.
No. They are here.
They out here too. I'm gonna get one before I leave.
You wanna do what?
Take them home with me.
You wanna take one?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you
Just one.
Which one?
That one right there.
Yeah. You eat it?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat it.
Okay. I don't have a stick for you.
Shit. This thing ain't no joke. This is Africa, bro. Oh. Okay.
Nobody's running.
What the hell? I can't believe this shit. And when I finally reached the top, breathtaking. The view stunning. The air fresh. The people so warm and welcoming. And then there was him.
Oh my gosh.
Hill, or I should sit over there.
You come.
Okay.
Now. If you want to make a video, let me take your shoes.
You want to take my shoes off?
No, we don't do that here.
Why?
You take off the lid.
Why we don't take off the shoes?
So when you want to wear it, it will be easy for you. But when you don't take off the lace, good. When you don't take off the lace, how do you do? When you don't take off the lace, you want to wear it back. You have to take off the lace.
No. Oh.
Like, you have to take the lace like this.
Why you want to take the lace off?
So that can be free for your leg. No handle bend case, you know.
I wanted to go live, guys, but it's no internet out here, so I guess we stuck with this. Somebody, yeah, get this massage looking real tasty, real good. What's all this stuff?
No, you could jump some.
Huh?
You could skip some.
Okay. I can take this chicken home.
Okay, no worries.
It is. Yeah.
So you know how to do it too?
It's smart. Yeah. Hey, Minala. Oh, no, I'm going to come back. Uncle.
Make me water.
Not here.
That's right. Not here. This would be perfect. That massage guy, woo! Fine as imported wine, built like a warrior. And let me tell you, his hands were healing. He massaged me from my ass to my appetite. And I wasn't mad at it. Gentleman to the touch. But baby, the way he worked these muscles, I was all ready for a happy ending. Of the spiritual kind, of course. Just look how he washed my feet. Oh my God, I felt like a queen who got baptized under the waterfall. I mean, this was a 10 out of 10 experience, and I would absolutely do it again. Like, for sure. Now let's really get into this massage because, woo, it was an experience. First of all, the ambiance. Unmatched. Imagine laying under the open sky, surrounded by lush greenery, and the sound of the waterfall crashing down beside you. Nature's own spa soundtrack. The air was crisp. The mist from the water cooled my skin, and I could feel all my stress melting away before he even touched me. And then his hands. Those hands got to work, baby. His touch was intentional. Not too soft, not too rough. Just a perfect balance of pressure. He started at my shoulders, kneading out all my tension, and I swear I felt lifetimes of stress leaving my body. Then he moved down to my back, slow and deep, following the curve of my spine, like he had studied it in his past life. I knew I was in good hands, literally. But listen, when he got to my lower back and my hips, baby, he applied just the right amount of pressure. Like he was unlocking parts of me I didn't even know were locked. Every motion felt like a silent conversation between his hands and my muscles. Let me tell you again. Every motion felt like a silent conversation between his hands and my muscles. And let's just say my body was responding, if you know what I mean. Then he worked his way down my legs, stretching and massaging, making sure every knot and ache disappeared into the atmosphere. And can we talk about the way his fingers trailed over my skin, like a gentle whisper, like a song only my body could hear? At this point, I wasn't sure if I was still awake or if I was ascending to another realm. The rhythm of the massage, the fresh mountain air, the hypnotic rush of the waterfall. It was like nature and the human touch came together to create the most euphoric experience. But for real, y'all, let's really talk about this waterfall massage because it was a whole experience. Not just a massage, this was therapy, a spiritual awakening, and possibly a love story all wrapped into one. First of all, this guy here is something else. The vibes is just immaculate. Imagine just being deep in the mountains of Ghana, surrounded by nothing but nature. The sound of this waterfall crashing down beside me, the whole symphony of peace. I mean, the mist cooled my skin and the breeze whispering through the trees. And in that moment, I knew that I was about to be transported into another realm because he is so damn fine. Oh my God. Listen, man. This man was sculpted like a Ghanaian god. Broad shoulders, strong arms and hands that look like they heal nations. Woo! Can I get an amen? The second he touched me, it was like he had unlocked a portal to relaxation I never knew existed. Like when he was on my shoulders, pressing deep but slow, working out the tension, I didn't even realize I was carrying it. The way he moved, intentional, every stroke, every press, it was like he was speaking a language only my body understood. Moving down my spine, his hands gliding like warm honey, every knot, every ounce of stress melted. And just when I thought I had reached peak relaxation, baby, he got to my lower back and my hips. Listen, I don't know what kind of ancient massage techniques this man was using, but when I say I almost started confessing secrets, the way he applied pressure, the way his hands lingered, I felt seen. It wasn't just a massage though, it was like a full body love letter. And can we talk about the hands trailing over my skin, soft yet firm, like he was playing a melody only my muscles could hear? When he got to my legs, stretching me out, making sure every part of me was relaxed, yeah, I was done for. By the time he finished, I wasn't sure if I had just been massaged or reborn. My body felt like melted butter. My mind was clear and I had officially entered a new level of peace. And if that wasn't enough, he helped me slow, smooth, like a gentleman, looked me in my eyes and asked me, "Are you okay?" "Sir, I'm floating. I'm levitating. I'm in a state of bliss." Then like a true king, he took me back down the mountain. Woohoo. Y'all, I don't know what to do. I would do this again, no doubt. Like, I would recommend it 1,000%. If you ever get a chance to experience a waterfall massage in Ghana, book it, live it, thank me later. Because, baby, This was next level self-care, honey. Now imagine you and your girls going up here with like 5 or 6 of them handsome Ghanaian men all over you. Oh my God. All over my body. Working my body. Oh my God. Can you imagine? Man, y'all would have a ball. Like, book this for you and your girls. So y'all could just go up there and just do whatever the heck you want to. Nobody's gonna stop you. It's Ghana, baby. And when he finished, baby, I just laid there. My body felt like melted butter. My mind was clear. And for a moment, I forgot I had real life responsibilities waiting for me back at the bottom of the mountain. But the real MVP move, he walked me down. No rush, no awkwardness, just smooth, confident energy, like a true gentleman. And let me tell you, the way he held my hand, making sure I didn't slip, checking on me every step of the way, yeah, I might have got caught a little mountain crush or something, because I'm trying to go back. They left our asses. They gone. Yeah, I done fucked around and burnt my leg on the motorcycle. When I tell you that shit was hot as a mother freak. Let me see if I can show y'all. Right here.
What's her name?
Nana Ashanti.
Okay, Nana Ashanti.
Guys, so we finished the massage and it was really nice. And now we out here with the what is these things called? The chickens.
Yeah, the chicken.
The chickens. And I wanted to show y'all the ride there. It was steep. It was different. It was real. I couldn't hold the phone. I burnt my leg, y'all. I showed y'all. He put some stuff on it. But I'm telling y'all, that ride was no joke. And they was going through swerving and moving and grooving it and all types of stuff. And they had holes in the ground. I was like, oh my God, this is gonna be my last time on earth.
Anybody who comes to you have to be at the Martin Spa. It's the best among the rest. Trust me, don't go nowhere. Stay blessed with Nana Ashanti. One love.
One love, Africa. Okay.
I love your tattoo.
Thank you. Which one?
Happy won this fountain.
Yes.
Come on, I love all your tattoos. You got massive tattoos. How much does it cost you to do all these tattoos?
Oh, tattoos in Mexico is cheap. They really cheap. Yeah, I wanted to show how we got over there.
Yeah.
How we got through there. It was different. It was quite different.
It's Africa. Yeah.
This is so beautiful. You still at work? I said you still working.
Yes.
Okay, guys, so now I'm at the restaurant. It was a wonderful experience. I got me a mimosa here. Have some chicken tacos, and I'm gonna go in the house. Then I'm gonna take my ass in the house. But for right now, feeling real tasty, real good. In Trisaco. This place is nice. I've never been to Trisaco before, but I definitely want to move here. It's nice, and I tell y'all, them houses is awesome and amazing. Big mansions. Oh my God.